Hello and welcome to Skid Steer Solutions and our Rototiller product introduction. What you're looking at is a culmination of many years of trial and error to get what we believe is the best skid steer mounted rototiller available. The difference between our rototiller and a lot of the ones you find on the market are a lot of the other machines are actually tractor rototillers that have been turned into skid steer rototillers. The main difference between that style is that a tractor style is meant to be dragged and not pushed. When you push an attachment, that means that all of the weight is bearing on the front of the attachment, so it has to be able to take that force. Because you've got a big brute of a machine pushing it, it has to be able to take the things that might come up, hitting a solid rock, hitting a stump, hitting a fence post, that type of thing. You don't want to hit those things and have the shaft bend or have the housing bend in half. When you look at this, you'll see it's got a floating blade. Okay, it gives you up to about 6 inches of depth. It's got a solid shield. What that enables you to do is you can drive forward, you can roll it forward a little bit and then go backwards, back drag with it, and you'll end up with a nice fluffy surface when you're done. Very well mixed soil, cuts through the sod, that type of thing. Just does a beautiful job. We use only high quality Eaton motors in this. What this enables you to do is this is rated for low flow, but actually you can run it at high flow, it's not a big deal, and you don't need a K-string. I've got it on my Bobcat, it puts out 37 GPM at 3300 PSI, not a problem. Another thing to look at here is we use a heavy wall square tube drive system. It comes off the main hub of the motor, which is all protected. The motor's protected, it's got extra heavy bearings in there so it can carry it on this side. On the opposite side, it's got a carrier bearing that's greasable, so you can keep that. As long as you keep that up, that's really the only thing to maintain. Of course, you want to check from time to time. It is possible to break these off. This is a standard rototiller style tine. You can get them in most farm stores or tractor stores. So you're not bound by having to get replaceable parts or anything directly from us. You can usually find them locally, and they're very inexpensive. Because this is a skid steer attachment and it comes from Skid Steer Solutions, we only ship this ready to go. So all you have to do is cut the banding off the pallet, cut the banding off the hoses, plug it into your machine, you're ready to go. All the hoses are included. Couplers, they come with 1/2 inch flat face couplers, which is the standard in today's marketplace. However, if you do have something, a special need, just let us know and we can supply you with the right couplers. Okay, so I've just done a couple of passes here, and what you'll see is the depth of the cut here is I get pretty close to right about 8 to 10 inches down into the material. In this case, what I've done is we've thrown some sand on top of the existing sod, and what we're attempting to do here is to cut the sod up, mix it all in with the sand, and then we'll lay it back all down probably at the end of summer now. So this will be like this. We'll probably till it a few times over the summer. And then when it's really nice and hard, just before the first rains come in the fall again, I'm going to run the Harley rake over it and just get it all nice and perfectly smooth and have a bit of a grade to it here. And then we'll replant just in time for the rains. we've done quite a few passes here today. I hope you've enjoyed it and found it very informative. This is, again, our 76-inch rototiller. We've carried this manufacturer's brand on our website for over 5 years now. Had absolutely no warranty issues. It's built sturdy. It's built for skid steer, which means the frame, everything is much heavier than what you find on a regular tractor-style rototiller. Visit us at skidsteersolutions.com. We're happy to take your emails, your calls anytime.